Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Mr. Sharma. He teaches us English in a fun and exciting way. Mr. Sharma is kind, patient, and always ready to help. He explains lessons clearly so that everyone understands. He tells us stories and makes learning enjoyable. Mr. Sharma always encourages us to do our best. He teaches us good manners and discipline. He makes us feel confident and happy in class. I respect and thank him for his hard work. I am lucky to have Mr. Sharma as my teacher. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.